So, Paul, if you're thinking about truck sailboat tails, would you consider putting a truck sailboat tail on a straight truck or on a truck with a roller door?
Yeah, like a roll-up door trailer, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay. So I guess the point of the roll-up door is that it's convenient and easy and quick, and that's the advantage of it. And maybe not shorter distances, and it's hard to boat tail that without some kind of manual step. Our design, though, is actually it could be done. It involves essentially the boat tail is a door structure in its own right, and it has a back surface, so there's no concern about the air seal of a boat tail for function. So it could involve just the ordinary routine step of opening up a set of swing doors, essentially, in addition to the roll-up door. So that's an extra step, but if there were some advantage to doing it, such as energy, and also maybe the image presentation, like the safety lighting within the boat tail, and the presentation of a sort of a corporate logo or some sort of image presentation that's, advantageous, that could be then sort of justify the extra, step of opening up a set of swing doors, the boat tail itself, for that kind of trailer. As for straight trucks, it's the same thing, really. A lot of them are roll-up door, but if you consider the quite considerably greater performance of a boat tail on a straight truck, in conjunction with the safety lighting and image presentation, then that may become something which is a good presentation for anybody's fleet who they want to be energy conservationists, and they want to benefit from that from a financial standpoint, and present their fleet as forward thinking in this way.